Today, I'm sharing some simple yet life-changing hacks to make homemaking easier and more joyful. Let's make a charming little flower basket using popsicle sticks and 2 bottle caps. Place 2 bottle caps side by side and glue a popsicle stick across them to create a base. Also, where are you watching from today? How's the weather in your city? Continue gluing sticks horizontally, staggering them slightly to create a natural curve. Add a decorative popsicle stick fence for extra charm. Insert artificial flowers or line the inside with soft foam to hold fresh blooms. Cut a rectangle of glitter foam and divide it into 3 equal strips. Braid the strips like you're doing a cute hairstyle for your granddaughter. Start rolling from one end to create a spiral rose, securing it with hot glue. Add green foam leaves for a natural touch. And just like that, you've created a beautiful rose filled with love. Wouldn't this make the sweetest handmade gift? Is your remote control always covered in dust, fingerprints, or grease stains? It's one of the most used items in our homes, yet we often forget to clean it. Here's a super easy way to keep it spotless. Cut a piece of plastic wrap just big enough to cover the remote. Wrap it around smoothly and use a hairdryer to gently heat seal the edges. The buttons still work perfectly, but now your remote is protected from dust, grease, and accidental spills. Next time you clean, just replace the plastic wrap. No more scrubbing needed. Do you love buying big, fresh radishes at the market because they're cheap, tasty, and versatile? But if not stored properly, they tend to wilt and lose their signature crunch. Don't worry. With this easy trick, you can keep them fresh for an entire month. Cut the radish into manageable sections and wrap the cut ends with kitchen paper. Then place them in a storage bag and refrigerate. This simple method locks in moisture, keeping your radish crisp and fresh, just like the day you bought it. Quick tip, if the paper towel gets damp, replace it to prevent excess moisture from ruining your radish. If you've ever grated radish, you know the fear of your fingers getting too close to the blade. Here's a safe way to do it. Cut the radish into 4 long sections and leave the skin on while grating. This not only protects your hands, but also retains valuable nutrients in the thin skin. Try this tip today and make cooking stress-free and enjoyable. Did you know that a beautifully set table can make meals feel extra special? A simple heart-shaped napkin can add love and warmth to any gathering. Here's how. Choose a square napkin in a color that complements your table setting. Fold it into a triangle. Then pleat it like a fan. Gently spread the folds to shape a delicate heart. Place silverware inside for an elegant touch. It takes just a few minutes, but the result is so charming. Are your charging cables always tangled or breaking too soon? Here's an easy solution using an empty toilet paper roll. Coil your cable neatly into a small loop. Place it inside a toilet paper roll, leaving the ends slightly exposed. Now your cables stay organized and protected from wear and tear. Plus, it's an eco-friendly way to reuse materials. Do you have other tricks for organizing tech accessories? I'd love to hear them. Ladies, let's make a beautiful and simple macrame decor piece that will add warmth and charm to any corner of your home. Start by tying strings onto a wooden dowel using a basic cow hitch knot. Create square knots in the first row, pulling gently to keep them even. For the next rows, alternate diagonal knots to form a soft feminine pattern. When you reach the desired length, trim the ends neatly for a polished look. And there you have it, a handcrafted decor piece full of love and personality. Those tricky corners under furniture or between cabinets collect so much dust, but with one simple household item, you can clean them effortlessly. Take a thick cotton sock or a soft cloth and wrap it around a spatula. Secure it with a rubber band or clip. Lightly spray with a cleaning solution or a mix of warm water and white vinegar. Glide it into tight spaces to grab dust and dirt instantly. Just like that, your home stays spotless without any hassle. Do you have any favorite cleaning hacks? Let's share ideas in the comments. Ever finished a stitch only to find the knot sitting far from the fabric, leaving your sewing weak and unstable? Don't worry, here's a simple trick to make sure every knot is tight and secure. Create a small loop with your thread and place the needle right at the base of the thread. Gently pull the thread near the needle and the knot will automatically slide down to the fabric. Repeat if needed for extra security. With this little trick, your stitches will always be neat and durable. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more homemaking and DIY inspiration.